Hello guys, today we are seeing a 4-axle Dropside side fence semi-trailer. The reason we call it Dropside, it is because the side wall, it can drop down to the bottom, so you can load the cargo. And the reason we call it side fence is because up to the side wall, it has a fence on top of it. Here is the indicator how the light system or the electricity system goes on. This is the 7-pin socket, and this is the hand coupler. It's like a hand, like a holding hand to each other. It has a yellow color and red color. That's the nameplate. And here is the indicator light. You have one in the left, one in the right. This is the ladder and to the top, and that is the canvas bucket. At the bottom, we can see here, it gave the gap to do the maintenance. And here is the kingpin. The kingpin is welded type. The diameter of the kingpin is 3.5 inch, which is 90 millimeter at the diameter. Here is the landing gear. The landing gear is one-side operation, and it does not the gearbox outside. The gearbox is inside of this square tube. Here, it is Yost A300C type. The capacity of Stanek is 75 ton, and lifting capacity is 28 ton. And it says here, if you push, it would be high speed level, and if you pull it out, it would be low speed. The low speed would lift with the weight inside. And please be attention, does not over the distance of the landing gear. So the distance of the landing gear is like this. So only about 450 millimeter. Here is the side fence, and this is the water tank or the fuel tank. Most of the client from Africa, they would use this type of tank as a diesel tank or fuel tank. We can see from here, it has those steel bars at here to hold the fuel tank. And at here we have another side fence here. You can see how we connect the side fence. We're gonna disassemble it, and once we finish the production and ready for delivery. Okay. Here is the air suspension operation gear. Here's the gauge. The reason we have air operation gear is because the first axle, we use air suspension for this. And the second and third, fourth axle, we're using the leaf spring suspension. So the front axle is air suspension with the lifting system. The front axle can be lifted when you need it to be. Here is the spare tire carrier, two of them. One in the left, one in the right. It has something like this. You can open it, you can actually open this and then hold it up and put a tire here and then lock it up. It's mounted together with the trailer, so it would sit here, different than the one we were seeing the other day. Okay, now it's the rear of the trailer. The rear of the trailer we can see very easy. It has the light protection and reflector plate, triangle reflect, license plate, reflecting tape. Here the gate, the rear gate. It has 4 locking bars. You need to open one side, and we have opened that before. We won't need to open it this time. And on top, it is we call it protection for the canvas. When you put the canvas on, you need a curve like this to protect the corner of the canvas won't be damaged by those square tubes. In the middle, you can see we have a steel bars at here to make sure the box on top of the chassis is stable enough, and those steel bars are holding the box together. We can see more details of the side fence at here. We can see this is the middle post of between two side walls and two fence. That's handling bars. You can actually move this one up and assemble them together after it arrives. You can actually move the side wall if you need it. You need to remove this pin here, and then remove this pin here, and then 1, 2, 3. After you remove all of them, this to make it convenient for the package, we don't even install the 2 of them in the middle. So we only install 2 in the left and right to put it here. And here's the rope hook and ratchet. Ratchet is using to fasten the rope. This is the protection when the drop side drops down. It won't touch the steel, so it touches here. Let's go to the bottom and have a look. Here is a view of the bottom. You can see this is a safety cable, and this is the airbag, and that's the braking hose. At the rear, we have the normal leaf spring suspension system, and in the front it is the airbag suspension. This is a twist lock. To put twist lock here, it is because sometimes you need to use this trailer to transport the containers. You can put the containers inside of the drop side, but you need to remove those top bars first, or sometimes you need to remove those walls if necessary. It can actually become a platform. It is a trailer platform plus those top gears. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy our video today, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.